Okay, so for example, you can use Screencastify. So Screencastify is right here. You click on this button. It's a extension you can download, and I'll show you. I'll have a video about that. But so when you click on Screencastify, well, actually, I can't show you right now because it's actually being recorded, but you'll have some options to record your desktop, and you'll say yes. And then you can say embed webcam if you want to show yourself down here at the bottom. Sometimes kids just like to see your face. So if you feel comfortable doing that, share the webcam. If not, you don't have to embed the webcam. You can just leave that out. So you'll do that. And let's say you're giving a lesson on Works Cited. So here you are, you have this pulled up, and you can just show them, okay, students, we're going to talk about the Works Cited page. I want you to notice, the format here, it's reverse indented. You got to put a pair of, a comma here. So you can be pointing out different features of whatever you want to teach your lesson. So if you have a PDF, let's say about grammar, you can pull that up and point out things. You can highlight, you can actually be writing on here if you want, like notice right here that we have the title is in italics, stuff like that. So you can go ahead and teach just as you normally would. And then you would save this. Of course, my nose is running because I tried to walk the dogs on this pollen. You would save this, and you would click stop right here, and then you would save it. And then the next video I'm going to show you shows you how to upload it to YouTube. So then you just have a link. So it'll be one link that you share with the kids, and they click on that link and they'll see your whole video. So you only have to do one video. All of your classes can see it. And then I would make that. This is what Angela and I have been talking about. And if you do this, you'll be like the model DLD teacher. So you make the video first, you make that the first assignment, and you require students watch this video before we conference. So in the conference, you're not actually teaching the lesson. The conference is the time for the questions to be asked. So you show the video prior to the conference. The students have to watch the video prior to the conference. And then during the conference time, they're supposed to come to you with their questions about the video. So that is the ideal DLD setup. We've been trying to impress that upon people, but they keep thinking that they have to do their teaching during the conference, which you don't. You can have that all set up prior.